Hi students, welcome back to our IT class. In the previous video, we had studied about styles and the method of modifying an inbuilt heading style. Right. Today, we will study the method to create a new style. Shall we start? Okay. Our activity is to create a new style. Right. First, we have to open the styles window. Here it is already open. Otherwise, we can take it from styles menu. Styles, manage styles. Do you remember that? Okay. Now, select any one heading and right click on it. We can see the two options, modify and new. Click on new option from here. All of you are familiar with this window earlier, right? The only difference is that if we use new option instead of the option modify, we will get one more privilege. That is, we will get the chance to give a name in the organizer tab. Look, the organizer tab is active now and we can give the name here. Look, I am giving the name new style. All other options are the same. We can make use of font tab, font effects tab, we can give borders, we can give colors, anything. Same as that of the modify option. Only difference is we can give a name to the new style when we click the option new. When we use modify option, we can't give a new name to our style. Okay. Understand the difference? Next, let's see how we can include an index table to this document. Do you know what is an index page? Yes, index page contains all the details, means the specific details of all the pages inside a document. Okay. For creating an index page, first we want a blank page here, right? Do you know how to include a page in LibreOffice Writer? Click on Insert menu, then Page Break. Make sure that the cursor is on the top of the document. Okay. Then only we will get a blank page at the front of the document. Clear? Look, our page is ready. Now we want to include index tables. For that, insert, table of contents and index. See, this is the index page. Only some headings are given in the index page because I selected some of the headings only from this document. Okay. Now, look at this message. Control, click to follow link. Which means that the control key will act as a link between the index page and the document page. That is the content page. Okay. So, to go from index page to content page directly, press the control key and click on the heading you want to go. Okay. Okay students, this is the end of this part of the video. Hope all of you understood all the activities we had done today. We will continue our activities in the next class. Thank you for watching.